Hello everyone, Happy New Year 2021. In fact, it's a new decade starting as well, so Happy New Decade 2021 to 2030. Welcome to this video. You might have heard this so many times, even in the New Year messages as well, that stay positive. Okay, being positive is a great thing to do, but many a times we face situations when we get confused. How can I stay positive in such situations? Okay, what are the ways to do that? So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 4 most powerful but simplest ways to stay positive in any situation. Okay, so let's dive in. Hello friends, my name is Sagar Badane. I'm a life and business clarity coach. I help entrepreneurs to move on to the next level in their life and work. So today's topic, how to stay positive. I'm going to be sharing the 4 simple and powerful ways as I have told you. So why to stay positive, first of all? Okay, you have heard about this so many times, but I will still go into it because see, positive thinking is a trait of the most successful people out there. Top achievers in any field, you will look at them and you will say that yes, this is a positive person. These people are the most positive people I know. That is why they are successful. So hands down, it is confirmed that we need to stay positive. Okay, that is for sure. I understand that I need to stay positive. Now the big thing that I need to understand is how can I stay positive? Okay, there will be situations. Situations do come in life which challenges big time emotionally, mentally, and we think of how can I stay positive in such situations. Okay, so there are these 4 simple, most powerful techniques that I'm going to be sharing with you. First, the simplest one, what I'm doing right now, smile, and that too smile consciously. Okay, smile consciously. See, I had this habit of writing down quotes into my old book. So it was before the last decade. Okay, before the year 2000, I had this habit of writing down in this old school notebook I had. I wrote down quotes which I loved, and one of the quotes I remember out of those is, "You cannot think positive with the ends of your lips turned down, and you cannot think negative with the ends of your lips turned up." Okay, that is the power of a smile. And I can challenge you right away in front of this camera, try smiling and thinking negative. You can't do that. Okay, we are programmed that way, we are made like that. Okay, we cannot think negative if we are smiling, and we cannot think positive if we are frowning. Okay, so we need to think, for thinking positive, the best remedy is smile. And that too, it's people will say, okay, how can I smile if the situation is not right? Smile consciously. Okay, find out a way to smile. Remember a thought, what happened during the day or last week or year. Recall your happy moments. Make a list of happy moments to remember in such situations. You can do any number of things, but smile consciously. Okay, that is very important to get into that positive thought process. Okay, so the first technique is smile consciously. Second technique, many people talk about this, you know about this, but not everyone does it. Be grateful. Okay, be grateful about whatever you can think of. And in this pandemic, this corona situation taught us so many things in our life are there which we can be grateful for. So many people try to differentiate it in terms of my personal life and my work life. I can be grateful for things in my personal life or work life, or I have a better method. What you can do is you can be grateful for things in the 4 major areas of life. Okay, first you can be grateful about things related to your health. Okay, so about your physical health, mental health, emotional health, spiritual health, all forms of health. What are you grateful for in terms of your health? The first thing, Sadhguru talks about this, be grateful every morning that you are alive. More than 3 lakh people every day don't wake up. So be grateful that you are alive, first thing. Second thing, you have a great body. You can see this video, you can hear this video. You have so many things that most of the people don't have. Okay, in terms of your health, you can think, you can come out and search for thinking positive, watching such videos. Be grateful for that. Okay, and other forms of health as well. Your emotions, you have started to control your emotions. Okay, by smiling consciously. Be grateful for that. Then next area of life you can be grateful for is your relationships. Okay, your family life, your social life. Okay, most people don't have a family. Okay, they don't stay near their family maybe. Okay, if you have a family, be grateful for that. If you have great friends around you, be grateful for them. Okay, that immediately is going to bring a smile on your face. Okay, be grateful. That is immediately going to shift you into positive thoughts. Okay, so be grateful as the second step. Okay, other areas of life are like after health, relationships, your work life. Okay, in this world situation, many people have lost their jobs. If you have a job, if you have a work to do, be grateful about that. Okay, if you have money in your bank, if you have money in your pocket, be grateful about that. Okay, and whatever amount it is, be grateful so that more can come to you. Okay, that's a way to actually attract money. You be grateful for whatever you have, you will have that much or even more than that. That's the best guarantee, being grateful. Okay, being grateful is the best guarantee to have what you have and increase it. Then the third way to think positive is have fun. Okay, have fun. It is very simple, but most people miss out on this one as well. Okay, find out ways to have fun. Many people just work till night and they forget that they can have fun. Okay, get that paper of Sudoku and solve that Sudoku puzzle. Okay, play that Ludo with your friend. Play that football out there. Play that cricket out there. Whatever, read a book if you want. Watch a comedy video or a movie. Whatever you can do to have fun. Okay, spend time with your family. One of the best things to do to have fun. Okay, because see, small children, you've seen small kids, they don't have anything else to do. They always find out ways to have fun. Okay, they will look out for ways. When can I finish the school, finish the tuition, how can I have fun? They're always looking out for having fun. Why have you left that habit? Get into that habit of finding out ways to have fun. Okay, I even wrote a post that the habit that I'm going to form for 2021 is, what were every night I'm going to write down what were the moments of joy today. Okay, because that's the whole intention of my whole life. Whatever I'm doing is for being happy. Then why don't I count that every day how much joy did I experience, so that it can increase, so that I can find out ways to increase it. Okay, as simple as that. And then the fourth way is express love. The fourth way to be happy is express love. Okay, friends, it is very, very simple, very easy, but people feel shy to do it. Okay, they don't do it. Okay, what will the other person think? I have never done it to my wife in the last 20 years. Okay, from the last 5 years, I have not even wished her well. Start today, friends. Okay, start by acknowledging their work. What kind of work? So you did a great job. Express love to your family members, maybe your kids, maybe your parents. Okay, most of the times we take our parents for granted. Express love to your parents. How great they are, what great job they have done, what great decisions they made in their life, because of which you are here, because of which you are experiencing something great in your life. Maybe the house that they built and you're living in that house. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Express love, okay, to other people as well. Okay, that day someone in our family was some lady in our family was talking why this maid is not working like this, like that. I told her, express love to her. At least you have a maid. People are not even having maids out there to work with them. People are not having household help over there. So express love to people around you. See, research has shown that when you express love to anyone, you get into positive thought process. Okay, so it is as simple as that, friends. Follow these 4 simple ways to be happy. First is smile. Second is be grateful. Third is find out ways to have fun. Fourth is express love. Okay, what is the meaning in keeping that love inside? Okay, express it, friends. Okay, so these are the 4 amazing ways, very simple ways. We all have heard about them before, but start practicing them and make it a habit to do it every day in this year, or I would say in this coming decade. Okay, and you will see amazing, tremendous change in your life. All the best, friends. I hope you stay positive and achieve great heights in your life. This is my wish for you for this new year and this new decade. All the best. Have a great year and a great decade. This is Sagar Badane signing off. See you in my next video.